Hello everyone. Today you'll be watching a boss fight of my character fighting the King Black Dragon in Runescape. It's a fairly simple boss fight, but I mean that wasn't really the point of the assignment. It was kind of to compare the game or comparing the game to literature by using its literary qualities. But first we'll start off with Andrew Irvin and his usage of ZenS. RuneScape in my 12 years of playing it has shown me quite a few of the properties of ZenS that Andrew was talking about. For example, Eustress. In boss fights, they create a sense of challenge, which in turn creates stress or fear of messing up, because in these boss fights it can be very easy to die. I mean, one false click or a prayer flick, you can take quite a bit of damage, and a lot of these bosses can actually one-hit you if you don't prayer flick at the right time. And then the next part he talks about is Fiero. It is achieved in multiple ways in RuneScape. It can be achieved by completing quests, leveling up, skilling, defeating a hard boss, or I mean, RuneScape's kind of a game where you can do whatever you want. So there's item collectors in RuneScape, and then there's people that just try to get max cash stack. The next thing he talks about is flow. A lot of times in the boss fights, you need to be fully aware of what's going on. Because if you mess up or you fail to prayer flick, you can possibly die or get hurt quite a bit, which might then stall your boss kill count because you have to pay for like a solo access, and you were trying to make money doing this. So by stalling it, you're losing GP per hour. Then, and that's it for that. And then we'll move on to RuneScape and its literary qualities. In every quest in RuneScape, there is a climax, and RuneScape has, I think, over 200 quest lines or quest. So, I mean, there's enough to keep you interested. An example of one of these climaxes would be in the quest Romeo and Juliet. Romeo finally gets the potion of Juliet by you taking it to her, and then like the cousin poisons the potion, which kills Juliet. It's kind of funny because then in turn the cousin actually runs off with Romeo, proving that Romeo is an idiot. And then there's also foreshadowing in the game. Like in certain quests, it'll take a cutscene of a player or an NPC like walking around in somewhere they shouldn't be, and a big monster comes up and the NPC gets scared, and like there's a type bar that says "ah." It's kind of dumb but funny at the same time. But then they also use a way to get you like involved in it. They use audio as well. In this boss fight, there's like lava sounds, like bubbling lava, and then the dragon has like fire breathing sounds. It's kind of neat. But